Welcome back to my options presentation. Bubba here. Before I got rudely interrupted by Screen-O-Matic, we were talking about LNG, and today we're going to talk about the potential of buying a call. So as we look at the chart, we can see that we have an uptrending market, a market that is now in what we would call a consolidation phase, looking to try to break out to the upper end. So what I would look for here is the opportunity to buy a call. And as we look back at the options chain, we see that, first of all, the at-the-money option would be, let's see, either the 82.50 or the 85. It doesn't matter. Right now, either one is for this exercise. We can see that there's a lot of error in the balloon. So we can find a very, very good opportunity in here to go ahead and purchase a call because we believe that it's going to go higher. So what we want to do is we want to buy the right or the opportunity to buy this stock at a later date. So without having to spend, now think about it, if you wanted to buy 100 shares of this stock, you would need $8,400. To buy that right, to buy that stock at $84 or $85, we would only have to spend right now $300. Now we are paying a amount of premium over the value, but if LNG should all of a sudden decide to drop back to $70, we can only lose the amount of premium that we are collecting here. So again, we don't have to worry about that when you're using options. Although you pay a slight premium, the amount of capital that you have to use is not nearly as much as if you're buying the actual stock itself. So it's important to understand in the option model, and what we're trying to do is we believe, based on the chart, that this stock is going to continue higher. So we want to participate in the overall move of the stock, but we don't want to come up with a lot of money. So we get the opportunity to jump in and buy a call option in this stock, which gives us the right to buy this stock again. And if we use the 85, we're going to pay $3 or $3.05 to have the right to buy this stock at 85 within the next 26 days. And the days are how many days there are left until expiration, until our option or our rights expire. And we can go out as far as 480 days, which is about a year and a half, or we can go as close in as 5 days. It really depends on our confidence level and what we're looking at. But the whole key of today's lesson comes back down to understanding liquidity, where we as a trader can find the most opportunities to benefit from the trades we're making, and then trying to use technical analysis based on the chart of the direction of where we're going to go. I know this presentation was a little choppy to begin with, but again, remember the keys: liquidity, air in the balloon, volatility, and our opportunity to make money. And then the next one we will do again, and we will continue to work on these and put together a number of these. So if anybody has questions, make sure you let Mr. Vinicus know, and we will cover these on future screencasts coming forward. So although I know this one kind of sucked, we'll get better, and we will do it better for you, and we will all learn how to trade options. This is Bubba signing off. We'll see you back here next time in Mr. Navicus's investment class. Todd Bubba Horwitz, we'll see you later. Thanks, everybody.